Next guest says, don't forget about Zoom, saying he wouldn't be surprised if that video sharing platform made a bid for Slack as well. RBC's Alex Zukin joins us now. Alex, these kinds of things often don't happen, no offense to you, but I'm curious as to why you think at least it makes sense strategically.
Yeah, hey, thanks for having me on. And I agree with you. I don't think these things happen very often, and I'm not sure it'll happen this time. But I do think that for Zoom, being a full-fledged unified communications platform is important. When you think about it in comparison to the other major brands like Microsoft, like Google, those platforms have a combination of video, voice, and messaging. And today, Zoom doesn't have messaging. They have some chat functionality, but I think that messaging combined with a leading platform in video is a really powerful tool to really redefine unified communications for both commercial and increasingly consumer opportunities. And I think 2021 could be a really important year for Zoom in the consumer segment as they monetize or look to monetize that. And I think Slack could be very additive.
Yeah, well, obviously they've got a currency to do it with, at least. I assume they have some cash as well, given their size at this point. But, you know, I wonder if they don't either build or buy something along the lines of what you're talking about, are they more vulnerable perhaps overall over time?
I think it's incomplete. I think messaging is a increasingly popular and important way to asynchronously communicate, with employees, with customers, with applications. And I do think that, Zoom's positioning as one of the dominant, visual and voice communication platforms requires them to have an offering there. Again, I think that's something that they've been looking to build and integrate with over time. But the truth is, large enterprise companies often want one vendor, one security posture to deal with and interact with. And so it could put them at a disadvantage. Again, I don't think it's likely, but I do think that it makes a lot of sense if they were to look to do it.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.